hail there, it looks like snow. Would you look at that? Oh, would you look at that? We're waiting for Alex. You, naughty little dog. One of my favourite things is when Elmo's ears blow in the wind. Look at his ears! He's about to take off on flight.
It is?
Yeah. On flight. Here he comes. Why are you walking like that? It is immediately hailing like crazy as soon as you walk out the door. Look at my scarf. Oh my goodness. And this dog, look at her. She misbehaves so much. She just pulls and pulls and pulls. Hello. You can't go in the water here. It's too high. Yeah. Okay, we'll go this way. It's still so green, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like I can't understand how green it's still. I suppose it's moss and...
Yeah. Not really the depth of winter yet.
No, the trees aren't green. It's the ground. It's all the moss on the trees that makes it look pretty. It's like Lord of the Rings. Look how pretty it is. Not anymore.
Can she do it? Oh! That's what wellies are for.
Here comes the hippo. Oh, come on, hippo, you're okay.
Hippo. Oh, that's not very kind. Come on, Midnight. Good girl. That's it. There you go. Oh, that's it.
Oh, Willow, you going to help her?
Good girl.
Oh.
That's it.
That's so pretty, yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
Easy on there. Thank you. Thank you.
Mining?
Oh, what's in it?
I don't know. Sorry about the camera. We've not got the right lens because we were taking this to take some pictures. So we don't have our microphone because we took the G7X to vlog on, but it's got no battery. So I'm a little zoomed in. Yeah, I was going to say, you might have noticed the other day we mentioned that for our house we had to do a mining search, because in Cornwall you have to do a mining search when you buy a house because you have to check that there wasn't mining going on in the area. And in Goliath Falls, where we are now, there's loads of shafts, like mining shafts, which are like cornered off. And a few years ago, didn't someone fall down one or something?
I thought.
Or did they just find one?
One of the shafts kind of collapsed in with all the rain, and they had to close this whole area.
So I'm dramatising. No one was there. No one got hurt.
As
but
far
yeah,
as I know.
no. But yeah, it's funny that in Cornwall we had to be aware of that. Normally we walk down there and there's a little beachy kind of area we can stand in, the dogs go in the water because it's like still, and it's all water. It's crazy. Hello, you're not being very safe. Come in.
Maddie's made a new friend. Not you. I was just saying.
He doesn't, if I throw the ball too far, he doesn't go and get it. I have to throw it at him very close. Maybe he's a bit old. Hello, look. Ball.
Hello.
Sit. Sit. Or not. Same image.
But she loves it.
Yeah.
I assume Tristan's got the lake over there, so she's in
yeah.
She's obviously dropped
You're a
it
bit smelly, I don't want to touch you too much.
Everyone's gone off to have a drink in the cafe at the bottom. I've got to get back to edit the Vlogmas.